Most of us spend our entire lives cleaning the wrong way. We buy expensive products, we spend hours scrubbing, we still end up exhausted. But in Japan, people clean faster, smarter, and their homes stay cleaner longer. And here's the shocking part. They spend 35% less time doing it, use simpler methods, and somehow their homes look like they belong in magazines. Marcus here from Seniors Cleaning Hacks, and I'm about to show you 15 cleaning secrets from Japan that are going to completely change how you maintain your home. These aren't complicated steps. They're simple systems that work so well, entire Japanese cities have built them into their lifestyle. If you find these methods helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks for more life-changing tips that save you time and money. Share this with family and friends who need to see this. Let's dive in.
1. The Gencon system. Stop dirt before it spreads. Most people think removing your shoes at the door is just polite. In Japan, it's pure strategy. The Gencon is a lowered entryway, a transition zone between outside and inside. It looks simple, but it's actually a contamination barrier backed by science. According to Tokyo's National Institute of Hygiene, shoe soles carry roughly 421,000 bacterial particles per square inch. We're talking dirt, heavy metals, bacteria, and pollen. The Gencon traps everything right there at the threshold. The sunken design keeps all that dirt localized in one spot. It doesn't spread across your floors. Built-in shoe racks and ventilation help footwear dry overnight, preventing mildew and odor. Many Japanese homes add extra touches, antimicrobial mats made with bamboo charcoal that kill bacteria within 24 hours. Some families even rotate seasonal slippers. Summer slippers for humidity, winter slippers for warmth, all machine-washed weekly. The numbers are remarkable. Homes using the Gencon system report 80% less indoor dust and 60% fewer airborne bacteria compared to homes without this system. That means less vacuuming, less mopping, less of everything. Western homes clean up the mess after dirt spreads everywhere. Japanese homes stop it right at the door. One architectural feature, hours of cleaning time saved.
2. Carbonated water deep cleaning. The bubbles that actually work. Sparkling water isn't just for fancy dinners in Japan. It's a cleaning revolution called Tanzan Mizu Oji. Carbonated water contains carbonic acid, pH 4.5, which loosens grime and oil without damaging surfaces. According to Japan's Environmental Chemistry Institute, it removes up to 93% of surface oil, outperforming most eco-friendly cleaners. Japanese homemakers spray it on glass, mirrors, electronics, and even tatami mats. Zero residue, zero chemicals, zero risk for asthma or allergies. The carbonation lifts dirt from cracks that cloths can't reach. Add baking soda, and you've made a $1 cleaner stronger than products 15 times the price. In tight Japanese homes where fumes are risky, this is a lifesaver. Hospitals even use carbonated cleaning for delicate equipment, proving true cleanliness is about science, not chemicals.
3. Drain mesh filters, the 2-cent secret that saves hundreds. Look into any Japanese sink and you'll see a tiny mesh net, Goostarp. It's not decoration, it's prevention. These ultra-fine nylon filters block 99% of food scraps and hair. The result? Homes need 90% fewer chemical uncloggers, and pipes stay clean 60% longer. Each filter costs 2 cents, but saves an average of $30 yearly in maintenance. More importantly, trapping waste at the source eliminates odor and bacteria. Some cities even provide free biodegradable drain nets, composting the collected scraps. Japanese households throw away 40% less organic waste because of this habit. It's not about cleaning after mess, it's about stopping the mess before it begins. 4. Steam cloth cleaning, chemical-free floors that stay pure. Forget buckets and chemical cleaners. Japan's joking steam method uses only water and microfiber. A handheld steamer wrapped in cloth kills 99.9% of bacteria and dust mites, confirmed by Tokyo National Health Lab in 2023. No residue, no toxins. Essential in homes where people sit and sleep on the floors. During cedar pollen season, steam eliminates up to 70% of allergens instantly. After investing $40 in a steamer, you'll never buy cleaner again. One household saves 18 plastic bottles yearly, preventing 8 kilograms of CO2 emissions. The gentle hiss of steam has even become associated with calm, cleaning that purifies both air and mind. 5. Activated charcoal bags. Air that feels alive. Instead of loud air purifiers, Japan trusts nature. Sumatin bamboo charcoal. Each gram holds over 1,000 square meters of surface area. Kyoto University found that homes using these bags saw 60% less mold in summer. They trap humidity, remove toxins, and neutralize odors without electricity. Recharge them monthly in sunlight, reuse for 2 years. At Life Sand, they become fertilizer. In cramped, humid apartments, breathable air is sacred. These bags sit quietly in shoes, wardrobes, and bathrooms, cleaning the air at the molecular level. While Western homes buy $200 purifiers, Japanese homes spend $5 and let sunlight do the rest. 6. Rice water cleaning, turning leftovers into solutions. In Japan, komijiru, rice rinse water, isn't waste, it's wisdom. Cloudy rice water contains starch and amino acids that break down grease while feeding good microbes. Kyoto University found its antibacterial power rivals diluted ethanol. Housewives soak cloths in it overnight, then wipe counters and glass for a pearly, dust-resistant shine. Some pour it down drains to nourish enzymes that prevent odor. Cook rice, clean the kitchen, eliminate waste, all from one pot. Rice water proves the Japanese truth. Nothing is thrown away. Everything transforms.
7. Tenugui towels, the cloth that lasts forever. Japan replaced paper towels with tenugui, thin cotton towels woven for longevity. The Osaka Institute of Fabric Science reports each absorbs 1.5 times its weight and dries 3 times faster than terry cloth. After 50 washes, it softens and becomes naturally antimicrobial. One tenugui saves 8,000 paper towels yearly, one full-grown tree per household. They're not just cleaning tools, but cultural icons, used as wraps, masks, or bandages. A single cloth lasts up to 10 years. Minimal, multi-purpose, philosophical. 8. Bathroom organization on trays. Cleanliness becomes visible. In Japanese bathrooms, every item sits on a tray, seitsu, or visible cleanliness. No bottles touch the counter. Airflow underneath prevents mold and slime. The Tokyo Clean Home Institute found this reduces bacteria by 45%. Each family member has a color-coded tray for instant order. Modular Muji trays slide into tight spaces, keeping counters clutter-free. The result isn't just hygiene, it's psychology. Homes using visible order report 22% lower stress during morning routines. Cleaning becomes effortless. Lift, wipe, replace. 9. Kaizen cleaning. Progress over perfection. At Japan's cleaning core is Kaizen, continuous improvement. Born from Toyota's system, it's now a household philosophy. Small actions done daily. Wipe after brushing, fold immediately, empty trash before breakfast. Tokyo University found Kaizen cleaners spend 40% less time, yet maintain 90% higher cleanliness. Each act releases dopamine, creating a loop of satisfaction and habit. Even appliances follow this philosophy. Self-cleaning rice cookers, UV holders, air purifiers tracking dust. Kaizen isn't perfection, it's harmony. Cleaning stops being something you do, it becomes who you are. 10. Intelligent trash sorting. 45 categories of responsibility. Japan sorts trash into 45 categories. Yes, 45. Cities like Kamikatsu separate everything: paper, plastic, glass, metals, cartons, textiles, even tiny lids. The Ministry of Environment reports landfill waste down 80% and recycling up to 84%. Sorting forces mindfulness. People buy less just to simplify disposal. Homes use odor-proof bins with washable liners and charcoal inserts. Trash becomes reflection, a quiet lesson in responsibility. Japan turned garbage into meditation. 12. Sliding storage systems, space engineering in motion. Japan's homes use sliding panels, not swinging doors. Space is sacred. Panasonic's 2024 report showed sliding closets increase usable space by 38%. Modular dividers let one closet switch between futon and clothing storage. You'll find hidden drawers under stairs and floors, ancient samurai tricks reborn. Sliding minimizes airflow disturbance, making homes quieter and more energy efficient. While Western homes expand outward, Japan folds inward, gracefully and without friction. 13. The Great Annual Cleaning, Osoji, resets everything. Every December, Japan transforms through Osoji, big cleaning. Rooted in Shinto purification, it clears both dust and old energy. Kyoto University found Osoji homes report 25% higher life satisfaction afterward. Families clean every vent, every seam, open every window, and use natural solutions like vinegar and brushes. Corporations join too, linking clean space to productivity. It's not housework, it's renewal. Japan doesn't just tidy homes, it resets the spirit.
13. Bento box cleaning. Food safety engineering. Japan's bento soji isn't just washing lunchboxes, it's microbial science. With 12 million bentos daily, hygiene is vital. Boxes are cleaned using enzymatic powders like those in hospitals. A Tokyo study found 95% fewer bacteria than standard detergents. They're soaked in 80°C water or UV racks overnight. Even wraps get weekly antibacterial washes. Bento cleaning is quiet discipline, science and tradition ensuring safety, one lunchbox at a time. 14. Tatami maintenance rituals, living floors that breathe. Tatami isn't flooring, it's alive. Made from Agusa rush grass, it breathes and regulates humidity. The Japan Tatami Federation says rotating mats yearly extends lifespan from 5 to 12 years. Cleaning involves dry brushing, gentle vacuuming, and wiping with vinegar water. Families even sprinkle green tea powder underneath to repel insects. Tatami purifies air naturally, improving quality by 15%. Western homes buy smart floors. Japan perfected them centuries ago. Silent, breathing, self-sustaining. 15. The Kamari fold. Organized drawers, organized mind. Beyond Marie Kondo lies Kamari folding, science of order. Clothes stand upright, letting you see all at once. Tokyo University found this reduces dressing time by 28% and morning stress by 14%. It saves 40% drawer space and prevents wrinkles by 60%. Even capsule hotels and nursing homes use it for efficiency. Folding becomes mindfulness. Each crease calms the mind. Order isn't control. It's freedom. These 15 Japanese methods prove true cleanliness isn't about effort, it's about understanding. Simple science, zero waste, deep peace. Subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks for more Japanese wisdom that makes your home calmer and your life lighter. Share this video, leave a comment, and tell us which method you'll try first. Your home deserves harmony, and Japan shows us the way.